can even help doctors. Tonight here,
Yeah, it's gonna take a whole lot of job.
But with caution. And when asked, is the U.S. government, are regulators ready? Not yet.
Hell no, that Jessica Wallet already fucked with me twice, and it takes forever to get them bitches out of your motherfucking life.
Philanthropist and Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates on his optimism and his warning for Americans on the meteoric rise of artificial intelligence. Are you scared?
We're all scared that a bad guy could grab it.
I be so glad when God just put my ass to sleep. I am so fucking tired of dealing with racism and two sets of rules. Man, I don't mind. God, if you want somebody, God, here am I. You could have took me yesterday.
Why are they not ready?
I'm not ready. Fucking groceries. I bought 6 items today and it was damn near $50. I almost stole my shit. I see I'm stealing in the store. And the guy said, "Man, would you like to buy my food stamp card?" I said, "Hell yeah." He said, "Can I get $50 for $100?" I said, "No, I'll give you $35 for $100." And I walked away and he said, "Ma'am, come back. I'll take that." See, I knew he was a dope head. And if I hadn't bought his card, somebody else would have bought it. I'm going look for me another food stamp card. And I can't steal, man. I almost stole until that man said, "Do you want to buy my food stamp card?" I bought that food stamp card. Now I'm getting ready to go cook me some food.